Good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to teach you how to catch a canary with a cage. This cage has two parts. This part of this cage houses canaries. This other part of this cage is a trap for catching canaries. So I'm going to show you how to catch a canary this morning. This is a very big cage, and this cage has two compartments. It has two parts. This is the first part of this big cage. This part houses a canary. This part of this big cage is a trap for catching a canary. So we are going to show you how to catch a canary. Continue, sir. The first step is that you go to this part of the cage. There's a trap. You open the door and then attach it. You open the door and attach it to that wood. That wood has a hole. This has to set a trap for catching a canary. There are
What's the step
millets.
in?
There are millets in this trap cage. This is a trap. Okay, let me say it's a trap. There are millets in this trap. As soon as a canary steps in, the door closes. It closes. As soon as a canary steps in, it closes, and the canary will be trapped in this cage.
Don't need to close it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As soon as a canary comes in, it will close. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.